ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। हरि ओम, a very warm welcome. Tulsidas ji gave us a very beautiful anecdote, or rather metaphor, in the previous Doha, 275th Doha. We saw yesterday, आश्रम सागर शांतरस पूरन पावन पाथु सेन मनहु करुणा सरित लिए जाहि रघुनाथु. The beautiful metaphor says, Rama Ashrama, we said yesterday, the ashrama where Rama lived, ashrama sagara santarasa. It is like an ocean. And how is it? Shantarasa. Absolute quietude. Now this quietude is very interesting. Shanta, when we say, it is not a physical quietude, it is quietude at the innermost level. Our peace is absence of sorrow. Isn't it true? When we say we are peaceful, it means we have no disturbance. It means there is no pain or sorrow. This Shanta is not that. Shanta is the very nature of the ashrama where Rama stays. Right? That is why when we bring Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji in our heart, that heart will be peaceful. Now, Rama comes only for Ramanavami for a short period. Rest of the time, we are busy. Therefore, the mind is agitated. Mind is confused. Mind is disturbed. It is distracted. Now look at that. Ashrama Shantarasa Sagara. It is an ocean of quietude. And Purana. It is full, complete. There is completeness there. And our condition is we have a sense of incompleteness. Therefore, we are desperate to become complete and therefore we work in the world outside. But there, Purana, Shantarasa, Purana, Pavana, very sacred. And Pavana, Patu, and it is said, it is with the sacred quietism, if we may say so. Sena Manahu Karuna Sarita. Now, Janaka, when he comes with the Sena. And what is that Sena? What does it imply? It implies Karuna Sarita. Sarita, waters of Karuna, river of Karuna. Here, Karuna means an emotion with sadness. An emotion with sadness, a grief filled river. And all these streams, now look at Liye Jahi Raghunatha. Now Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji is now leading them towards the Kutira, the ashrama. Now Ramchandraji leads the disturbed mind towards Shanta Rasa, to that place where there is Shanti and it is a Sagara. How beautiful. And very interestingly, everyone has got varieties of emotions. Love, sadness, sentiments of different kind. All are depicted. Now see, the metaphor continues in 276, we will read. बोरति ज्ञान विराग करारे बचन सशोक मिलत नदनारे सोच उसास समीर तरंगा धीरज तट तरुबर कर भंगा विषम विषाद तोरावती धारा भय भ्रम भवर अबर्त अपारा केवट बुध विद्या बढ़िनावा सकहि न कोई ऐक नहीं आवा बनचर कोल किरात बिचारे थके बिलोकी पथि कही हारे आश्रम उदधि मिली जब जाई मनहु उठे वो अम्बुधि अकुलाई शोक बिकल दो राज समाजा रहा न ज्ञानु न धीर जुलाजा भूप रूप गुण शील सराही रोवहि शोक सिंधु अवगाही अवगाही शोक समुद्र सोचहि नारी नर व्याकुल महा दै दोष सकल सरोष बोलहि बाम विधि कीन्हो कहा सुरसिद्ध तापस जोगी जन मुनि देखी दशा विदेह की तुलसी न समरथु कोवु जोतरि सकै सरित सनेह की। बोरत ज्ञान विराग करारे. Now this river has got two banks, isn't it? River has got two banks. And what are these two banks? Jnana Viraga. The river, the one bank is wisdom, jnana, and the second one is vairagyam, dispassion. Bachana, and the river is flooded, covering up even the banks. Flooded with what? Shoka. Shoka, one of Dasharatha's demise, and two, Rama's separation. Bachana sasoka milatana danare was completely, covered. And it is said, the tributaries, streams, and rivulets we call, all of them, what are they? They are all sorrowful utterances by people who are walking along. So many people talk so much about what is happening. Everybody is worried, and these rivulets and tributaries and streams are all what? Those sorrowful expressions, utterances. Socha usasa samira taranga. Now these waves born out of the wind, what are they? They are all, the sigh. What to do? I can't understand why it all happened. God. Like that we speak when we are sorrowful. All those sighs, they are all represented by the wind and the waves in the water. Dhiraj tatataru barakara bhanga. And there are some people who are very, expressive, can we say, or very vigorous. So they talk very harshly and then, move around, angry sometimes. And the force is such that, the trees on the sides of the bank, the trees are uprooted by their force. And what are these trees? Trees are fortitude, courage, strength. Even they are uprooted because of the people who express their agitation and sorrow. Vishama Bishada Toravati Dhara Bhaya Brahma Bhavara Abharta Apara. The current which is there in that river, the swift current, are nothing but the sorrow, dejection, agitations, grief. They are all so strong and they are pushing through. That is a current in the river. Bhaya Brahma Bhavara Abharti Apara. There is so much of fear, there is so much of delusion. And because of it, that force constitutes whirlpools. We also do in our sorrow when we are agitated. We keep on talking the same thing again and again and again and again and again. Such a fervor, isn't it? Similarly, all those sorrows and delusions, they are like the whirlpools in the Nadi. Kevata Buddha Vidya Badinava. And in that Nadi there is a boatman, Kevata. And he is waiting with the boat on the either side to cross you. But the people are so busy in their own agitations and disturbance and grief. And even the big boats can topple down, can turn away, can sink. And what are the boats? Boats are the scriptures. With the help of the scriptures, the knowledge which is given in them, the boatman is waiting there. Who is the boatman? Guru. He is waiting with the scriptures to teach what is real sorrow and what is the actual joy and who are you actually, they are ready to tell us. We are so busy in what? Crying, worrying, grief, agitations, lamenting. Think, people were like that only. The people who came from Janakpuri. Sakai na koi aika nahi ava. Now these gurus, they were unable to row the boat also because, first of all, they don't know what is the depth of the sorrow. Because when the sorrow is very deep, no amount of Vedanta will work. It's a very, I think you can relate it. When somebody is dead or something very mishap has happened or something, at that time you go and say, no, don't worry. This is Sharira. Sharira is not you. You are that They will slap you. Isn't it? Of course, that is not the place to talk. That's the second thing. But that place, nothing will work. Similarly, they were not able to row the boat. Why? They didn't know what is the depth of the sorrow in all these people. Some may have come just like that. Those people are also there in life. And there are many people who have got very deep sorrow. So they don't know its depth. Banachara kola kirata bichare. Kola Kirata, all these tribal people, Kolas and Kiratas, who roam about in the woods, all of them saw this river of sorrow and they felt aghast. Because they have never thought about all these things. They don't know anything much about it. They know about Rama, that's all. But then the rest of the things they might not know. So seeing the sorrow in the people's heart, in their face, they were all aghast. Thake bilo kipati kahiya hare. And all of this, it was a turbulent stream. Such a very disturbed river. Ashrama udadhimili jabjayi. Now, when look at the way they beautifully, Tulsidas just expressed. When the river reached the ocean, the very force of the stream, the power of the sorrow in the people, when they reached the ocean, even the ocean to a certain extent started giving waves and it got disturbed. It got agitated. Manahu uthevu ambudi akulai. Even in Ambudi, even in the ocean, there was commotion because of emotion. Soka bikala do raja samaja. Raja Samaja, the hosts and the guests, Ayodhya Vasis and Mithila Vasis, both of them, both were excited. And it happens even in our house also. When somebody has passed away and the body is still lying down, the people in the house are in such grief. At that time, the other relatives, when they come, at that time it comes out very, vehemently, isn't it? Then you go again, cry loudly and then go and hug them. See what has happened, what has God done to me. Don't we cry? That emotions erupt. Similarly, Ayodhya Vasis and Mithila Vasis, they came together and the grief was so erupting. People were crying loudly. Rahana Gyanuna Dhira Julaja. They completely had no sense of fortitude, no sense of shame. The sentiments are overpowering. That is why it is called as Karuna Rasa. Shoka, here Shoka. And that Shoka was so heavy that it even brought a little disturbance in the Shantarasa. Bhupa Rupa Guna Sila Sarahi. And each one of them to the other, they were extolling Dasharatha's greatness, Dasharatha's beautiful, very powerful, strong physique, and then his virtues and his prowess and valor and all his, winning the battles, etc., etc. They were all exchanging, everybody were speaking about it. Rovata Soka Sindhu Avagahi. All of them wept profusely. They were all plunged into the ocean of grief, in fact. But all said and done, they have reached Shantarasa. So after some time, things will be okay. Avagahi soka samudra sochahi nari nara bhyakulamaha. Once they are plunged into the ocean of grief, men and women, nari nara and bhyakulamaha, they were in great anguish. That emotions were coming out, throwing up. दैदोष सकल सरोष बोलहि बाम विधि कीन हो कहा. And some of them angrily, what is this fate doing? Doesn't it have some little heart? Why should it be like this? Why is destiny like this? Why are they so heartless? Like that, people were angry on fate itself. Some of them even God itself. Don't we also scold God? This Bhagavan has got no sense at all. Like some people very harshly they scold also. Sura siddha tapasa jogi jana muni dekhi dasa videha ki. Sura, celestial beings. Siddha, saints. Tapasa, ascetics. Yogi jana, even yogis. Muni, sannyasis, and dekhi dasadehiki, all of them witnessed the condition of even Janaka on that occasion. They saw Janaka also, completely immersed in grief. Tulasina samarathu kovu jotari sakai sarita saneha ki. Tulsidas says, nobody were strong enough. Nobody were strong enough to cross the river because they were overpowered by sorrow. Kiye amita upadesa jahataha logan muni barana dhiraju dhariya naresa kahe ubasishta videhasana. Then what happened? Now the time has come. How long can we also go on doing this? Now the Vashishta ji went to Videha Raja. Oh, King, Raja, console. Dhiraju dhariya. Please, don't lose your fortitude. Don't lose your strength. Manobala, you have such a good manobala. You are such a learned person. Quiet. And other sannyasis and yogis also, they went into groups of people and tried to console them. Now, people may say, you are glorifying Janaka. Who is Janaka? Janaka is a very accomplished yogi only. He is a son, he is a realized master. That is why he is called Videha, the one who has no attachment to Deha, born out of knowledge. Even he is crying. When he is crying, you glorify that. When we are crying, you are criticizing that we are crying. Why is that? Then he is Janaka. We are also Janakas. We are father of so many children. He is Janaka Maharaja. We are also Janakas. We are father of so many children. Now, Tulsidasi gives the answer. Why Janaka is also sorrowful, but why all of us should come out of sorrow? Very beautifully it is said in the 277th Chaupai. We will read. Jasu Gyanura Bibhavani Sinasa Bachana Kirana Muni Kamala Bikasa तेहि की मोह ममता नियराई यह सिय राम सनेह बढ़ाई विषयी साधक सिद्ध सयाने त्रिविध जीव जग बेद बखाने राम सनेह सरस मन जासु साधु सभा बड़ आदरतासु सोहन राम प्रेम बिनु ज्ञानु करन धार बिनु जिमि जल जानु मुनि बहु विधि विदेहु समुझाए राम घाट सब लोग नहाए सकल शोक संकुल नर नारी शोभासरु बीते बिनु बारी पशु खग मृगनन कीन्ह आहारू प्रिय परिजन कर कौन बिचारू दो समाज निमिराजू रघुराजु नहाने प्रात बैठे सब बट बिटपतर मन मलिन कृसगात सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय जासु ज्ञानुरभिभव निसिनासा. About Janaka, very beautifully it is said. The Surya, whose wisdom drives away samsara. Jasu Jnano Ravi. Bhavanisi his wisdom drives away the darkness of bhava. What is bhava? Samsara. Bhajana kirana muni kamala bikasa. The rays of whose speech delights the flowers, the lotuses, the lilies, all of them bloom. Similarly, the jnana given by Janaka is such that it will dispel all our darkness, our ignorance. Tehi ki moha mamata niyarai. Even if he has plunged into grief, shows not that he is attached and worried and crumbling. No. It only shows his love, his affection towards Bhagavan. Now see, he will show, Tulsidasi will write, we will come to that very soon. Yaha siya Rama saneha badai. Therefore here, the love towards Sitaji, his daughter Sitaji, and Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji is so much, and that love expresses in this fashion. It is not grief what people talk about. We will come to that. Vishayi sadhaka siddha sayani tribidha jiva jagabeda bhakhani. Here he explains what is grief. Now see, according to Vedas, Veda Bhakhani, Trividha Jiva, there are three types of Jiva. There are three types of people. What are they? Vishayi. Vishayi means the one who is attached to only sense objects. He has nothing to do with Bhagavan. He has nothing to do with sadhana. Vishayi, they are completely attached only to the very worldly. Vishayi. Second one is sadhaka. Sadhaka is one who knows that there is no point in these Vishayas. Why? They cannot give me permanent joy. And that joy which they give is very temporary, very flimsy, and which will take us nowhere. It will only be now, here, by the moment you recognize it has gone somewhere, it has gone to the other person. Isn't it? That is why Gurudev would say, don't run behind Lakshmi. Why? She will keep on jumping from one pocket to the other pocket. Then what to do? Go behind Narayana. Lakshmi will be always there. Think. So this Vishayi is one who will be always behind whims and fancies of life. But Sadhaka is one who understands the flimsy nature, ephemeral nature of the world, and therefore he is looking towards the higher, the permanent. And the third variety is Siddha Sayani, Siddha, the one who is an accomplished soul. Here, Janaka is an accomplished person. Since Janaka is an accomplished person, he is not going to grieve for petty paltry things and beings like what other people go behind. He is accomplished. He says Siddha Purusha. Janaka, that is why he is called Videha, Vigata Dehabhimana, Videhi. Now he, because of his Siddhatva, he is not going to worry for smaller things. He is only, his grief is for the sake of Ramchandraji, who is suffering in the forest. Rama Saneha Sarasa Manajasu Sadhu Sabha Bada Adaratasu. The one in the assembly, the one who highly honors love towards Bhagavan, love for Bhagavan, he is the one who will be, revered. He will be kept in the highest pedestal, and his sweet love towards Bhagavan is going to bring people lot of peace. All right. Sohana Rama Pema Binu Gyanu. Tulsidas writes, Na Rama Pena Binu Soha Jnanu. Jnana, wisdom, without love towards Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji, without bhakti bhava towards Ramchandraji, is like Karanadhara Binu Jimi Jalajanu. It is like a ship. It may look very beautiful. It may have various features. It might be very powerful. But if it is without a captain to steer the ship in the right way, the ship will go and dash hither and thither and become useless. Isn't it? Similarly, Muni Bahu Bidi Bidehu Samujhaye. In this way, Vashishtaji advised King Videha in very many ways. Rama Ghata Sabaloga Nahaye. And having reached to near Ram Ghat, all the people, they bathed. They took bath there. And because it is associated with Sri Rama, since Sri Ramchandraji took bath there, that Ghat came to be called as Rama Ghat, and because it is associated with Rama, everybody thought it is a Tirtha Sthala, and everybody went and took bath. That is why we go to Prayagraj, all those places. Why do we go there? Because Ramchandraji took bath there, and therefore it is a Tirtha Sthala, it is a Tirtha. And therefore, when we go there and take bath and go dip ourselves, Rama Rama, Rama Rama, Rama Rama, when we dip ourselves, all our sins will be washed. All right. Sakala Soka Sankula Naranari Sobasarubi Te Ubbinumbari. All men and women who are so overwhelmed with grief. And then that day, nobody took even a drop of water because of the grief. What is the grief here now? Immediately the grief was Dasharatji had passed away. That is the news. So, because of that grief, nobody took even a drop of water. Why people? Pasu khaga mrigana nakina haru. Even cattle, birds, deer remained without food. Priya parijana kara kauna bicharu. So saying, now see, if even Pashu, Khaga, Mriga, if they are not having food because of the Shoka losing Dasharatji, what to talk of Ramchandraji and his near and dear ones? Naturally, all of them did not have. In fact, one of the commentator writes, he says, all these Mriga, Khaga, etc., they are all nobody else. They are nothing but Mahatmas who are staying there because Ramchandra is there. Mahatmas have taken the form and they are staying there to support, to help Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji. Do samajani miraju Raghuraju Nahani Prata बैठे सब बट बिट पतर मन मलीन कृसगात दो समाज निमिराजु. At early morning, daybreak, early morning, dawn. Both Nimiraju, Janaka, Raghuraju, the king of Raghukula, Nahane Prata, early morning, both of them took bath there with all their retinue. All of them took bath. Baite sababatan bitapana tara, and all of them sat under the banyan tree there, and then their heart was still. Shoka will be there. Shoka will not. Oh, okay. Now it's over. Okay. Now no Shoka. Now let us play. No. Shoka will be there because they are attached to Dasharatha to that extent. Because through Rama they are attached to Dasharatha. And that is not just an attachment. It is not a physical attachment. It is immense love. That devotion, that bhakti. So it will not go so easily. Continuing 278. By the way, today, tomorrow and day after, 3 days, I may take some 5 or 10 minutes more. Please bear with me. जे महिसूर दशरथ पुरबासी, जे मिथिलापति नगर निवासी, हंस बंस गुर जनक पुरोधा, जिन जग मगु परमारथु सोधा, लगे कहन उपदेश अनेका, सहित धर्म नय बिरति विवेका, कौशिक कहीं कहीं कथा पुरानी, समुझाई सब सभा सुभानी, तब रघुनाथ कौशिक ही कहेऊ, नाथ काली जल बिनु सबु रहेऊ, मुनि कह उचित कहत रघुराई, गयऊ बीति दिन पहर अढ़ाई, ऋषि रुख लखी कहते रहु तिराजू, इहाँ उचित नहीं आसन अनाजू, कहाँ भूप भल सब ही सुहाना, पाई रजाय सुचले नहाना, तेहि अवसर फल फूल दल, मूल अनेक प्रकार, लैयाये बनचर विपुल, भरी भरी कांवरी भार, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। जे महिसूर दशरथ पुरबासी, जे मिथिलापति नगर निवासी. Mahisura, Brahmanas who came from Ayodhya, Dasharatha's capital, and Mithilapati Nagara Nivasi, all people who have come from Mithila Nagari, Janakpuri. Hamsa Vamsagura Janakapurodha. Even Vashishtaji, who is a preceptor, the guru of the Raghu dynasty, and Shatananji, the main priest in the Janakapuri of King Janaka, Jina Jagamag Paramarathu Soda, all of them felt very blessed. They are all very blessed because they have, won over themselves. They have accomplished. They have been so blessed. Lage kahana upadesa aneka. All of them made groups of people. And then they all gave discourses on many topics from various granthas. And Sahita Dharma Naya Birati Viveka. And all of those discourses, with including dharma, Viveka, Vairagya, Shamadama, the Shatka Sampatti, Uparama, Titiksha, and various types of knowledge. They gave lot of discourses on all of them to keep them well engaged. कौशिक कही कही कथा पुरानी समुझाई सब सभा सुभानी. Vishwamitra ji, who is also called as Kaushika, very eloquently advised the entire assembly with very many references from legends and Puranas, Itihasas, etc. He was discoursing, he was speaking to all of them. Tab Raghunatha Kausika hi kahevu. Ramchandra ji told Vishwamitra ji, Natha Kali Jalabenu Saburahevu. People are there even without water. They have not even drank water. They are all there without even water since yesterday. Muni kaha uchita kahatara ghurai. At that time, Vishwamitra said, what you say is quite reasonable. Gaya ubiti dina pahara adhai. It is already noon now. They must be tired. Rishi rukhalakhi kahate rahuti raju. Iha uchita nahi asana anaju. Then Vishwamitra ji said, he told Janaka Maharaj, it will not be desirable to have cooked food here. It is not very appropriate to have cooked food. Kaha bhupa bala sabahi sohana paira jaya suchale nahana. The king's reply, Janaka, when he replied to Vishwamitra that it is not right to have cooked food, people also appreciated that particular thought, and after taking permission from the sage, all of them proceeded to take baths. Pratha kala, madhyama, sandhya kala, sandhya bandhana they have to do their nitya karma. Therefore, so there are some people who take bath 3 times. People went. तेहि अवसर फल फूल दल मूलानेक प्रकार लई आये बनचर विपुल भरी भरी कांवरि भार. The Banachara, all the Kolas and Kirathakas, they were waiting and for an opportunity to sow. They ran and with big baskets, they brought all kinds of fruits and roots and bulbs and so many things. They all brought to serve everybody, and people were so moved. Continuing. कामदभे गिरिराम प्रसादा अवलोकत अपहरत विषादा सरसरिता बन भूमि विभागा जनुमगत आनंद अनुरागा बेली बिटप सब सफल सफूला बोलत खग मृग अली अनुकूला तेहि अवसर बन अधिक उछाहु त्रिविध समीर सुखद सब काहू जाई न बरनि मनोहरताई जनु मही करति जनक पहुनाई तब सब लोग नहाई नहाई राम जनक मुनि आय सुपाई देखी देखी तरुबर अनुरागे जहाँ तहाँ पुरजन उतर न लागे दल फल मूल कंद विधि नाना पावन सुंदर सुधा समाना सादर सब कह राम गुर पठये भरी भरी भार पूजी पितर सुर अतिथि गुर लगे करन फरहार सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. ಕಾಮದ ಭೇಗಿರಿ ರಾಮ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಅವಲೋಕತ ಅಪಹರತ ವಿಷಾದ. Rama Prasada, by the grace of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji, Kamadagiri, that Kamadagiri yielded so many things at a time. It started producing instantly. That is a glory. Avalokata, Apaharata Vishada. All the sorrow should dispel immediately. To that extent, the Kamadagiri became very beautiful, and it also gave maximum produce for people to eat. Sarasarita bana bhumi vibhaga. The lakes, the streams, all the beautiful trees, tall trees, short trees, plants and creepers. Janu maga ananda anuraga. Everybody were so joyful looking at Kamadagiri. Bole bitapa sabab chapala sapula. Even the creepers and trees, they were completely laden with so much of fruits, bunches and bunches of fruits, and also wonderful, very colorful blooms, flowers, etc. Bolata khagamriga ali anukula. The birds, they were chirping with such beautiful sounds. Bees were also showing its prowess, making sounds. Bees, even they were also going around. They were also creating kind of music. It was like a melodious concert for all of them. Tehi avasara banadhika uchavu. The forest. Even the forest were so happy. As I said earlier, everybody is no other than Mahatmas who came and stayed there to take care of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji, Sitaji and Lakshmanji. Trividha samira sukhada sabakahu. 3 types of, breeze. Cool breeze, soft breeze, fragrant breeze, which brought so much of delight to everyone. Jaina bharani manoharatai. That loveliness, that feeling of good, that feeling of wonder, it cannot be expressed in words. It can never be described. Jano mahi karati janaka pahunai. It seemed Earth, Bhuma Devi. Who is Bhuma Devi? We all know the story, is it not? Sitaji came from Bhuma Devi. So who is Bhuma Devi? Sitaji's mother. And now her daughter has come to stay there in her place. Naturally. And who is Janaka? Her daughter's father-in-law. Rather, father. Her daughter's father, Sitaji's father, Janaka, who brought her from this one, and then he raised her. So naturally, her father has come. And who is Janaka? Prithvi Raja. And who is Earth? Prithvi, Mata. And her Raja has come. Therefore, the Lord of Earth has come. Sitaji is her daughter. So naturally, the Earth showed all her joy and boosted everything there. Taba sabaloga nahai nahai. The river also beautifully flowed, Mandakini river, and there was so much of joy, so much of joy. And then Raja Janaka Muniyaya Supai, receiving permission from Ramchandra ji, Janak ji, and then Vashishta ji, Guru, everybody. Dekhi tarubara nurage. They all went to see, gaze everything, and their eyes were so full, still they could not stop. That much, they all gazed at every beauty. Jaha taha pura jana utarana lage. And people, they found some place here and there, jaha taha, wherever they found a nice place, they started putting up their camp there. Dala phala moola kanda vidhinana pavana sundara sudha samana. And all of them, brought, I mean, the Kirataka scholars, when they brought all the fruits and roots and bulbs and of every description, we may say, everything that is good to eat, which was pure, looking beautiful and then very, very sudha, delicious. And it was like nectar for them. सादर सब कह राम गुर पठये भरी भरी भार. With lot of love, lot of joy, Vashishta ji, Guru of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, all of them were sent baskets and baskets of all of them. Puji pitar sura athiti gura lage karana parhar. And now all of them, they did not pounce on the food. Ah, yes! This is what I was thinking. Tamar pounds. That we responsible people do. Look at them. Puji. They worshipped. Whom? Pitara, their ancestors. Sura, celestial beings. Atiti, even visitors. Devatas, visitors. Guru. And everybody they worshipped. They did namaskara. Like how we all do parisheshana. Isn't it? And then they do all that. And then they all together sat down everywhere and they enjoyed the meal. We will allow them to enjoy and continue tomorrow. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय.